logical address, because it is not there on your computer. Physically in your computer, one number is there on the NIC, that is called a physical address, which is also called MAC address. Right. So you can go, Sanath, you can go and you can see, right, ExamPrepTool.com, right there you will get it. Just go to ExamPrepTool.com, you can see that, right? So just go there, ExamPrepTool.com. If at all you are preparing for 2025, one course will be there. 2026, one course is there, right? So whatever you want, you can select it. If you have doubt, you can WhatsApp me, I will help you. After class over, you just WhatsApp me. This is my WhatsApp number. I'm going to help you. This is my WhatsApp number. Right, fine. So I think people got to know, right? See, basics which are needed, I already covered. Now see the next one, right? Topic is, as I mentioned to you, can you see the topic name? IP addressing. This is the topic name, IP addressing. Topic name is IP addressing. So I started the topic. Topic name is IP addressing. I started. In the internet, if two devices want to communicate, they both should have IP address. IP address is according to IPv4 version number 4, 32 bits. 32 bits will be divided into 4 8s, 8, 8, 8, 8, 4 octets. 8 bits are nothing but 1 octet. This is called octet. One octet. So these 32 bits will be divided into 4 octets. 8 bits are nothing but 1 octet. So 4 octets are there, 4 8s 32. It is a logical address. Because inside computer, this number will not be there. It will be there outside the computer. Inside the computer, whatever number is there, that is a physical address, which is also called as MAC address. MAC address, some people are asking, sir, how many bits, sir? How many bits? Right? I think there are, right, 6 octets are there. 6 8s 48. 48 bits. MAC address is also called as a physical address, which contain 48 bits. So like this, right? 8 bits, 8 bits, 8 bits, like that 6 times. 8 bits, 8 bits, one more 8 bits. 6 times 8, 6 8 48. 6 8 48. You may say that, sir, why don't they communicate with the physical address? Some serious problem, hardware level means some serious problems will come. Everything is possible, but it will become more difficult. Even you don't know, see, in your mobile, right, what number is there inside, even you don't know, because you never open the mobile. If at all, logical address is not there, everyone will open the, right, mobile or computer. They will spoil the computer. They will spoil the computers to see the number every time. Suppose if you don't like, again you have to change the network interface card. Some problems will come. Suppose assume that you don't like the Airtel, you can go for the Jio by changing the IP address. By changing the IP address means a logical address. You can go from one network to another network. If at all it is a physical address, if you do, I think mobile itself you have to change. If at all, if you do communication by the, right, MAC address, mobile itself you have to change. Means hardware components you have to change. Because it is a hardware level, right? Suppose in that you are doing with the hardware level, right? So suppose some problem is happened, total mobile itself you have to change. If it is a logical, it is always better to have some logical address. Everywhere it is like this only. Mobile also, mobile number. Inside mobile, right, everyone, physical address is there. but we are not communicating with this. In the computer also similar. In the computer also similar, right? And one more thing, which address is bigger? The problem with the MAC address is it is related to hardware. That is a one drawback. It is related to hardware. That is a one drawback, and it's a bigger size also, right? I think 48 bits are there. 48 bits are there. It's a bigger size also. In terms of size also, MAC address is the bigger number. And one more thing is it is belongs to, right, hardware level. Hardware level things may not be good idea. So if you okay, I can move to the next one. So remember, in the internet, if two people are communicating, IP address required. IP address is 32 bits, which contain 4 octets. 4 octets are separated by dot operator. Every computer or every device internally having right some hardware number internally. That is called physical address. Fine. Can we move to next? Inside mobile, whatever is there. Inside mobile, whatever there. That is called physical address. So can anyone guess? Can anyone guess? Can anyone guess how to get the computer logical address? Can anyone help me? How to get a computer logical address? If you take internet connection, they will give one router or not? If you take internet connection, they will give one router or not? If you take internet connection, they will give one router or not? If you take the internet connection, they will give one router. Automatically IP address will come. Right? Your mobile or your computer will be connected through that router. So afterwards, anyhow we will discuss. Let's concentrate here only IP address. Let's concentrate here only IP address. I'm simply saying one line. I am moving forward. Right? I cannot say everything at one place. If I say, confusion will come. Right? Let's stop only necessary things as of now. Two computers want to communicate in the internet. So they will communicate through IP address. IP address is 32 bits according to IPv4 version. 32 bits are divided into 4 octets. Right? It is the logical address because it is not there inside the computer. It is not there inside the mobile. It is there outside. It is the logical address. Inside address is called MAC address, which is also called physical address, which is the 48 bits divided by 6 octets. Divided by 6 octets. Yeah, fine, perfect. Now let's see this. Everyone listen. I'm expecting answer. Everyone listen. So 32 bits. IP address contain 32 bits. IP address contain 32 bits. Everyone, can you catch this point? IP address contain 32 bits. Can you say total how many IP addresses possible? IP address contain 32 bits. Total how many IP addresses possible? I think 2 power 32 IP addresses. IP address contain 32 bits. 2 power 32 IP addresses possible. Right? Fine. Can you guess? Can you guess this? Can you guess this one? This can be written as 2 square into 2 power 30. Right? So 2 power 10 means K. 2 power 10 means K. Can you say what is the 2 power 20? M. Mega. Right? Kilo. Mega. Next one. 2 power 30. Is it giga? Is it giga? 2 power 10 K. 2 power 10 is K. 2 power 20 M mega. 2 power 10 is K, right? Kilo, right? 2 power 20 is mega. 2 power 30 is giga. So which will goes to 4G. 4G IP addresses possible. Two power 32 can be written as 2 square into 2 power 30. 2 power 10 is K. 2 power 20 M. 2 power 30 G. Four G IP addresses possible. If it is 2 power 20, I could have written 4M IP addresses. Right? Some notation. If you don't write also, no problem. So they will ask you with the 32 bits, how many IP addresses possible? 2 power 32 IP addresses possible, which is going to be 4G IP addresses possible. G is going to be giga. Giga, G-I-G-A, giga. Right. So is there any doubt on this? Total IP addresses are 32 bits. 2 power 32 IP addresses possible. 4G IP addresses possible. 4G IP addresses possible. I think this is also perfect. Now, some people are asking, sir, okay, sir. Now, the next question is going to be, listen, the next question is going to be, total these many IP addresses, divided into 4 classes, right? 4 classes, sorry, 5 classes. Total these 5, right? Total these 2 power 32 IP addresses divided into some classes, right? Let me write now. Classes of IP address, or classes present in IP address. Classes present in IP address. So first one is class A. Next one class B. Next one class C. If anyone having little doubt also. So it is introduction only, right? So you are learning basics only. Slowly you will get everything. If I keep on explaining one point so deeply, many people don't get it. Whatever is needed now, let's go one by one, all will come. Right? So classes of IP address. IP addresses, right? 2 power 32 IP addresses will be divided into 5 classes. Class D, class E, class A, right? Class A IP, class B IP, class C IP, class D, class E. There are 5 classes are there. Yeah. Now let's go one by one. Is there anyone who remembered? I just want answer from you. Is there anyone who remembered? What is the Mumbai pin code? Every mobile number having, every telephone number having SDT, right? STD code. STD code. Every right? Every country having, every state having, every region having. Can anyone please remember? If anyone remember, what is the Mumbai STD code? Phone number. What is the starting of Mumbai phone number? Telephone number. Or Delhi telephone number. Starting digit. Or in your area, telephone number. STD code, can you say? Your area, STD code, can you say? India is +91. India having +91. Someone is saying Mumbai having 022. Is it Mumbai? 022 is Mumbai. 0265. So what I mean to say is every telephone number having STD. Can you help by seeing the initial part, by seeing the prefix, can I say from which place call is coming? By seeing the initial part, can I say from which place call is coming? By seeing the STD code, can I say call is coming from which place? Am I right or wrong? By seeing the STD code, I can say from where this call is coming. Same thing here also. By seeing the initial part, I can say which class. This IP address belongs to which class. By seeing the initial part, I can say this IP address belongs to which class. Let's see this. Listen, let's see. So every class having 4 octets. Listen, every class having 4 octets. Everyone listen. Every class having 4 octets. Can you see this? Can you see this one? 4 octets. It is something like w.x.y.z. Every class having IP address in this format. Everyone having in this format. 4 octets, which is going to be 32 bits. Everyone having in this format. See the answer. Everyone having in this format. Now, I want answer from you. I want answer from you. Please give answer. In the first octet, how many bits are there? If I want to know this phone call is coming from where, I have to see prefix. I no need to see everything. Just to see only prefix. By seeing the prefix, I can easily say this is belongs to which class. Can you listen? Can everyone listen? Can everyone listen? First bit. See the first bit. If the first bit I am talking. First bit is, see this one. In the first octet, first bit is 0. In the first octet, first bit is 0. 0 followed by remaining thing can be anything. Remaining 7 bits can be anything. Remaining 7 bits can be anything. In the first octet, 8 bits. If the first bit is 0, that is a class A. In the first, listen, in the first octet, 8 bits. In the first octet, 8 bits. First 2 bits are 1, 0. Remaining 6 bits can be anything. Remaining 6 bits can be anything. That is class B. Right? In the class C, first octet 8 bits. First octet 8 bits. First 3 bits are, right? Careful. First 3 bits are 1, 1, 0. Remaining how many? 5 bits. Can be anything. In the first octet, 8 bits. In the first octet 8 bits, see this one. This is a 1110 followed by 4 bits. That is going to be class D. In the first octet, because I have to see only prefix. It is almost like STD code. It is almost like STD code. So if the, see this one, if the STD code is starting from 0, then class A. If the STD code is starting with 10, 10, then class B. Starting with 110, class C. Starting with 1110, 1110, then it is going to be class D. Next one, 4 ones. 4 ones. It is the 4 bits. It is going to be class E. It is going to be class E. It is almost like STD code kind of thing. See, whatever, see, first comparing internet, mobile came first. They copied almost mobile. Internet and mobile networking came first. So they copied from mobile network. Whatever way they are connecting to mobiles, same way they connected to computers. They almost copied from mobile to internet. So in the mobile there is a STD code, but here so some prefix. See, this is the prefix part. 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 Now, to get the more clarity, can you see this one? To get the more clarity, everyone listen. Everyone listen. To get the more clarity. To get the more clarity, can you see this? Can you see this one? Can you see this one? First bit is, see the answer. First bit is 0. First bit is 1. Can you help me now? First bit is 0 means which class? First bit is 0. Which class? It is the first bit. In the first octet, first bit. In the first octet, first bit. Can you say first bit is 0? Which class? First bit is 0. Which class? A. Right? Right? In the first octet, see this one. Because our concentration is a prefix. Our concentration is a prefix. When you say prefix, prefix means starting. So this one, this is the prefix. First octet only how to take care. In the first octet only, prefix will be there. So in the first octet, first bit is 0A. Listen, first bit is 0 is A, go. First bit is 1, you cannot decide. Listen, first bit is 1, you cannot decide. Now you have to see second bit. Now see the second bit. If the second bit is 0, then B. If the second bit is 1, then you have to see third bit. If the third bit is 0, then C. If the third bit is 1, you have to see fourth bit. You have to see fourth bit. If the fourth bit is 0, then D. Fourth bit is 1, E. This is the way how they given. This is the way how they given. If the first bit is 0, A. First bit is 1, then you have to see second bit. If the second bit is 0, then class B. If the second bit is 1, then you have to see third bit. Remember, ending part should be 0. Then you can conclude. Ending part should be 0. Then you can conclude. Ending bit is 1, continue. If MSB 1, continue. Sorry, LSB 1, continue. LSB 1, continue. LSB 1, continue. If LSB became 0, you can stop. See this one. LSB 0, stop it. LSB 0, stop it. LSB 0, stop it. LSB 0, stop it. Whenever all are over, lastly, LSB 1 also stop. By seeing the first octet, by seeing few bits in the first octet, I can say this is belongs to which class? I can say this is belongs to which class? Are you fine? By seeing the first octet few bits, I can say this is belongs to which class? You may say what is the use of class, sir? You will get to know within few minutes. Within few minutes you will get to know why classes are they. Sir, total IP addresses are almost like 4G IP addresses are there. Sir, why are you divided those 4G into so many classes? What is the advantage? You will see within few minutes. See, I cannot say everything. If I say also, you will get lot of problem. If I say also, you will get lot of problems. First of all, IP address purpose. Connecting to computers in the internet. Next one, IP address how many bits? 32 bits. 32 bits means how to represent 4 octets. Now, total IP addresses how many? 2 power 32 IP addresses. 2 power 32 IP addresses. Is it one group or 5 group? 5 group. Those many IP addresses I cannot make I cannot make as one group. It is very difficult to manage. 4G IP addresses managing very difficult. Let's divide into some different classes. Class A, class B, class C, class D, class E. How to identify, sir, which class, sir? By seeing prefix you can identify. Prefix means what? First octet, first bits. In every IP address, first octet, first few bits. I can easily say Suppose isn't that LSB 0. You are starting from, right, first octet start. First octet, first bit start. First octet, first bit start. If the first bit is 0, then class A. If the first bit is not 0, then go to second bit. If the second bit is 0, stop it. Class B. Second bit is also not 0, then go to third bit. Third bit is 0, stop it. Class C. Third bit also not 0, then go to fourth bit. Fourth bit 0, then class B. Otherwise class C. Otherwise class C. Are you okay till now? Almost okay. One or two doubts are there. See, that's what you will study in computer network subject. In computer network subject, that's what you will study. That's what you are going to study. One by one. Tomorrow, this time, you will be more clear. Tomorrow, this time, you will be more clear. Tomorrow, this time, you will be more clear. Fine? Is it okay? Is it okay? Is it okay? So you may not get all. So whatever you are getting, please enjoy, because so after few classes you will get the clarity. Okay, total topic is this. Total topic is this. Whatever happened till now, right? There are few things I covered. Tomorrow this time, you will get the more clarity. Right? Until now, please be careful. So can we see tomorrow? Can I stop? Postfix decided anything or not. You will see anyhow. You will see. So Neha, whenever you see mobile number, people will see initial part. They will decide it belongs to what. If the initial part is right 0, right 0, 1, 1, some state. 0, 2, 2, some other state. So initial part is useful to recognize it belongs to which class. Ending part there is no use, but anyhow, if anything is there, we will see afterwards. You may say that, sir, why are you dividing? So 4G IP addresses managing is very difficult. 4G IP addresses managing is very difficult. So let's divide into some classes. Then how to recognize the classes? By seeing the prefix part. Prefix means what? First octet. In the first octet, all bits required are initial bits only. In the first octet, first bit 0, class A. First bit is not 0, 1. Then you have to see second bit also. Second bit 0, then class B. Second also 1. Then you have to see third bit also. Third bit 0, class C. Third bit is 1, right? Then you have to see fourth bit also. Fourth bit 0, then class B. Otherwise class C. Right? Fine. Is it okay? So please revise this class. While coming tomorrow, please revise this class and come. While coming tomorrow, please revise this class and come. Please revise this class and come. Don't come by dancing. Please revise and come. Don't come by dancing. Please revise and come. Right? Fine. Chalo. Thank you. Thanks everyone. Right. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks everyone. Thanks everyone. Fine. Good night. Those people who want to join, the GATE classes, right, for the 2025 or 2026 or 2027. If you want to prepare for 2025 GATE or 26 GATE or 27 GATE, right? You can go to ExamPrepTool.com. You can go to ExamPrepTool.com and you can join from there. If you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp us. We are going to help you. You can WhatsApp us. We are going to help you. Yeah, good night. Good night, everyone. Good night. Bye. Thanks, everyone.